That is so annoying, isn't it? Left the bins out, the recycling. I'm being a good chap and I'm doing all the recycling. And they ain't took it. That is so annoying, man. That drives me insane when they do that. That was out as well by the gate. Anyway, 7:30, Friday night. Everyone else, all my pals, are all out on the razzmatazz. And me, I'm going for a sunbed chappy. Man's got his red Baywatch shorts on, yeah. He's taking with me because he wants to get drinks. Because I'm dressed like this, I'm ready for the sun, but I've got oversized jumper on and my Baywatch shorts on. I know, but I ain't going shopping as well. And want drinks. So my Ted's coming with me. He wants to go Tesco to get drinks. What are you saying, Frank? You good? Huh? Leave Shah alone. Oh, let me sneak. My Shah is going out with a couple of her mates tonight. And they're going to a booze around the corner, right? And I told Shah that tonight is speed dating night. And she reckons she forgot and she didn't know nothing about it. Yeah, look, let's go see if we can capture her. Yeah, look, they're in the bar. They're in the bar. You going speed dating? Shah? You going speed dating? Yeah? You looking for a date? She hates me sometimes. Anyway, at least they're enjoying that. I'm going to have 20 minutes in Costa del Bognor Regis. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take you with me.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, brother. That's how I look like when I'm lying down on Sunday. But I don't have the string on them.
Oh, they're green.
No, they're black. They stop your eyes getting burnt out now.
Yeah,
but
they're green on the inside.
No, the string. See, what you got to do, you just got to lay like that with your head, yeah? And you can't move your head. Because if you move to the side, the goggles pop off your head. You just got to lay there for 20 minutes, man, soaking up the sun.
You feel it when you blink.
Yeah, you got to get used to it, but it's an art in it. I've been doing it years, mate, don't worry about it. Oh, yeah. We are in. Oh, yes. Come on, what we got? Load me. £37. £37. There's number 5 down there, Kushti. We've got 20 minutes. Bosh, I've got goggles, but I do need. Don't buy the sachets no more. I'm trying to find. You got any bottles? What one did I get before? That one. That's the one. Add that to my basket. 5% little bulk discount, yeah? Come on. Don't need you because I got you. Next. Yes, give me some extra time. Got to undress. What are you charging me? Oh, fine. Let me get my card out. Boom. Approved. There's my cream. Get her in there. That's it, brother. Oh, job done. Hey. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be me for the next 20 minutes. Come on. And we are back. I just realised, Teddy, we still ain't fixed that light. That light is out. I don't know what it is. Look at this though, at night it looks lovely. So we buried them lights a little bit more. It looks gorgeous at night. Love these Tiffany lights, these Tiffany style lights.
It's chilly, isn't it?
I don't think it's chilly.
You've got a jump on.
Them lanterns are gorgeous, aren't they? Look at them. Look really nice. So what I've done with the lights is just sort of hid them in there. Tell you what we're going to be doing. We've got Christmas lights to go up.
Next month, isn't it?
Yeah, next month we've got to put them up. We've got plugs up there. By the cameras and stuff, we've got plugs. And then we switch them on inside the house. So we're going to glow all this place right up. But looking swift now. I ain't done an update. You know what I will do? I will do a proper video of the inside soon. The inside soon, once the rest of the furniture goes in and stuff like that. But let me cross over without getting run over. Look. Looks nice now at night time. Looks really nice. Come together well. Just missing a few little bits of furniture and stuff before I can do a final video and a little bit of art up and some pictures and stuff like that. But anyway, that's it. Sunbed done. Time to go and do some work now for 2 hours on the computer.